Hello, students. Welcome back to our class. Today, we're going to study our lesson for spelling. Please prepare the following materials: Reader's and Writer's Notebook, English copybook, and your pen. Our objectives for today: A. Identify Latin root words. B. Discuss the meaning of each word. And C. Read each word correctly. Let us have a quick review of our past lesson. What is a compound word? A compound word is formed when two or more words are joined together to create a new word that has an entirely new meaning. Examples are blackboard, jellyfish, and sunflower. Let us now check your homework. Please open your Reader's and Writer's Notebook on page 235. Write the word that completes each comparison. Number 1. Urban is to city as rural is to countryside. Number 2. Short is to tall as heavy is to lightweight. 3. Librarian is to library as judge is to courthouse. 4. Animal is to zoo as plant is to greenhouse. 5. Snake is to reptile as grasshopper is to insect. 6. Glue is to tape as nail is to thumbtack. 7. Pedal is to bicycle as oar is to rowboat. 8. Scarf is to neck as blindfold is to eyes. 9. Cup is to china as teaspoon or tablespoon is to silverware. Number 10. Email is to computer as postcard is to mailbox. Write the least word that fits each clue. Number 11. This might describe a raincoat and boots. Answer: waterproof. Number 12. Cooks use this to measure ingredients. Answer: tablespoon or teaspoon. Number 13. Make this to remember a special trip. It's a scrapbook. Number 14. Don't become an actor if you don't like this. The answer is spotlight. Number 15. You can feed this in your backyard. Answer: hummingbird. 16. A big one might cause buildings to fall. Answer: earthquake. 17. Beware of this when swimming in a big lake or river. The answer is whirlpool. Number 18. Going away to summer camp might make you feel like this. The answer is homesick. Number 19. Walk this way at the beach if you like sand between your toes. Answer: barefoot. And lastly, put this on the end of your line. Answer: fish hook. Well done, students. Today, we are going to study about Latin roots. Many English words and word parts can be traced back to Latin and Greek. Today, we are going to learn some of the words with Latin roots. Please open your Readers and Writers Notebook on page 411. Let us now read each word. Portable, audience, decade, territory, auditorium, dictionary, terrace, reporter, December, contradict, export, decimal, audit, transport, audition, prediction, import, jurisdiction, decathlon, terrain. And now we're going to discuss each word. Let's start from the word portable. Portable means able to be easily carried or moved. The reporter took her notes using a portable recorder. The word is portable. Next, we have the word dictionary. Dictionary is a book that lists the words of a language and gives the meaning or gives the equivalent words in a different language, often also providing information about pronunciation, origin, and usage. Sample sentence. He was bold enough to insist his definition was right and contradict the dictionary. The word is dictionary. Then we have the word export. Export means to send to another country for sale. We are talking about sending goods or services. Sample sentence. We export grain to China and import Chinese toys and clothes. The word is export. Prediction. Prediction means a statement made about the future. Journalists have begun making predictions about the winner of the coming election. The word is prediction. Audience. The word audience means those who view or listen to a performance. The concert attracted a large audience. The word is. Our next word is the word terrace. Terrace is a level paved area next to a building, or it's also known as patio. Most of the terrain was hilly, but we found a nice flat terrace for a short rest. The word is terrace. Our next word is the word decimal. Decimal means a number written using base 10. Write the decimal form of the following numbers. Decimal. Then we have the word import. Import means to bring goods or services into a country from abroad for sale. Sample sentence. We export grain to China and import Chinese toys and clothes. The word is import. Decade. The word decade means a 10-year period. The bridge was built a decade ago. Decade. Then we have the word reporter. A reporter is a person who reports, especially one employed to report news or conduct interviews for the press or broadcasting media. Sample sentence: the reporter took her notes using a portable recorder. The word is reporter. The word is audit. Audit means examine carefully for accuracy. Sample sentence: the Internal Revenue Service selected us for an audit. The word is audit. The next one we have the word jurisdiction. Jurisdiction means the legal power. We have jurisdictions on kidnappings. Jurisdiction. Then we have the word territory. Territory is talking about land or region. It's also an area of land under the jurisdiction of a ruler or state. Saudi Arabia has a huge territory. Territory. Then we have the word December. December is the 12th month of the year. Notice that December is written in a capital letter D because it's a proper noun. Our flight is scheduled on December. Transport. Transport means to move something. Sample sentence: the men are here to transport the fruits. Transport. Next word is decathlon. Decathlon is an athletic event taking place over 2 days, in which each competitor takes part in the same prescribed 10 events. It's a competition having 10 events. Decathlon. Auditorium. Auditorium is the part of a theater, concert hall, or other public building in which the audience sits. Sample sentence: she sang for her audition in the large auditorium. The word is auditorium. Contradict. Contradict is a word that means deny the truth by asserting the opposite. He was bold enough to insist his definition was right and contradict the dictionary. The word is contradict. Audition. Audition is an interview for a role or job as a singer, actor, dancer, or musician, consisting of a practical demonstration of the candidate's suitability and skill. She sang for her audition. The word is audition. Our last word is the word terrain. Terrain is a stretch of land, especially with regard to its physical features. Most of the terrain was hilly, but we found a nice flat terrace for a short rest. The word is terrain. We are done discussing the meaning of each word. This time, please open your Reader's and Writer's Notebook on page 441. Kindly answer the page. Students, please pause this video and take your time to answer. It's now time to check your answers. Write the least words that complete each sentence. She sang for her audition in the large auditorium. Most of the terrain was hilly, but we found a nice flat terrace for a short rest. We export grain to China and import Chinese toys and clothes. The reporter took her notes using a portable recorder. He was bold enough to insist his definition was right and contradict the dictionary. Write the least word that has the same meaning. Number 11. Move something means transport. Number 12. A statement made about the future is prediction. Number 13. A number written using base 10 is decimal. Number 14. Those who view or listen to a performance is the audience. Number 15. Land or region is the territory. Number 16. A 10-year period means a decade. 17. Examine carefully for accuracy means audit. Legal power is jurisdiction. A competition having 10 events is decathlon. And lastly, 12th month of the year is December. For your homework, please answer your Readers and Writers Notebook on page 444. I hope that you've learned all the words today. That's it for now. Thank you all for listening. Keep safe, everyone, and have a great day.